What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see already on the title, today is going to be another build on the Polaris Ranger. Today we're going to be adding on a roof. So let's get to it. Here's the box that the roof came in. Kind of open it up a little bit already. But this is a two-piece roof. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and I'll get back to you guys after opening it up and kind of look at it, how it looks like. Alright guys, so I just unboxed it. There's two pieces. This is the rear, I believe, and this is the front right there. Came with some of these foam, and then of course your mounts when you mount it up to the bar, some nuts and bolt right here, and then also came with an instruction manual right here. So, two-piece roof. It's gonna go on top of here. So these are the on this Ranger, it's the round bar. It's not the Profit bar. So this one's a little different from, if you guys ever research it, you know that there's Polaris made a round bar, and also the Profit bar. So the one I have here is the round bar. So yeah, so we're gonna install this roof right here onto the Ranger, and once I mount it up and test fit it a little bit, and I'll get back to you guys on how we're gonna, I guess, screw it down. All right. This is what we did so far. We installed these bracket right here onto the roof. So this is what's gonna clamp onto the bar here. So there's one there, here, and here. So there's three in the back, and then for the front there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So basically, there's screws that you bolt it up to the top right there, and then what we have left is this foam tape right here. It's gonna go along here and all the way to the other side. And then we have these screws here, which is gonna come through these holes right here, and then it will bolt up both of the roof together. So we have this mirror right here that is in the way, so we're gonna have to move it, and then we can start mounting it up. So far it's coming along. Got to finish it up. So let's go ahead and move this mirror right there, and put the rest of the bolts on, and I'll show you guys once it's done. Okay, so we have finally installed the roof. That's where this is where the roof connect together. All right. The other side. I'll give you guys a top roof look on it. This is how it looks on top. This is the Polaris original manufacturer roof, right? Again, just the front. Here's underneath how it looks. And just with this roof on right now, it's already giving us a lot of shade from the sun. And like I said, I think having a roof is probably the most important thing, in my opinion, that you was to ever add anything on to your Polaris Ranger. So you can see how much shade it's already given. Alright guys. So you guys like what you guys see or saw today. Again, this is the install original roof on my Polaris Ranger. So if you guys have any questions, leave it in a comment below. And if you guys like what you guys see or want to find out what I'm going to do next to this, make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.